Yeah, those are for you. Well, let's see it one at a time. Let's see what you got.
Today, Greta, it's Christmassy.
Yeah.
Greta, what did you get?
I got Christmassy clothes.
Let me see.
Finally. I got a Christmas dress.
What?
And got a Christmas leggings to match. Hazel, please don't step on my clothes.
Hazel, do you want to try your slippers on?
I got
You have
this.
Hold on, let me cuff this.
With leggings.
Here, try it on. We'll see if it fits you
And
first.
I like it.
My head.
Oh my gosh, look at that stuff I got. Oh,
Did it fit?
yeah.
They're cuties.
Fuzzy cozy slippers.
Could you attach my...
Yeah, hold on.
No,